What's up? I feel great and excited to start our English class. I'm teacher Lorena Caetano and today we are going to learn os 10 school subjects mais usados na língua inglesa. Let's go! Antes de mais nada, quero pedir que você deixe o seu like aqui neste vídeo. E se você ainda não é inscrito neste canal, faça isso agora mesmo e ative o sininho das notificações para poder ficar por dentro das nossas novidades e ser avisado toda vez que tiver um vídeo novo. What's your favorite school subject? What's your favorite school subject? Qual a sua matéria escolar favorita? My favorite school subject is English. A minha matéria favorita é o inglês.
I really like math class, actually.
My favorite subject is art.
My favorite subject is probably PE because I like running and sports.
My favorite subject probably has to be science because Mrs. Dawkins is pretty awesome.
Look at the pictures. They represent some of our school subjects. Let's say them. I'll say them and you repeat after me. Eu vou dizer as palavras ou expressões e você repete depois de mim. English. Repeat. English. History. Repeat. History. Science. Repeat. Science. Physical education. PE. Physical education. PE. Português. Português. Geography. Repeat. Geography. Art. Art. Music. Music. Information technology. Information technology. Math. Math. Let's practice. I'll show you 5 pictures and you have to say which school subjects they are. Eu vou te mostrar 5 figuras e você tem que me dizer quais são as school subjects que cada uma dessas figuras representa. Look at this. What school subject is this? It's art. Now, this picture. What school subject is this? English. This one. Do you know? It's geography. Now, this one, look at this picture. What school subject is this? Portuguese. One more. What school subject does this picture represent? IT, Information Technology. Let's play. I'll show the pictures of the school subjects. Then I'll subtract 1 and you have to guess which school subject is missing. Eu vou te mostrar as figuras das school subjects e depois eu vou subtrair uma figura e você tem que adivinhar qual é a figura, qual é a school subject que está faltando. Let's go! Look at the pictures. Let's review the school subjects. Eu vou passar o cursor sobre cada figura e nós vamos lembrar os nomes das school subjects. Science, Geography, Physical Education, History, Music, Math, English, Information Technology, Art, and Portuguese. Right? Memorize the position of each picture. Memorize a posição de cada figura. Now, which school subject is hidden? Qual é a school subject que está escondida? Think. It's math. Very good. Now, which school subject is missing? It's history. Well done. And now, which school subject is missing? Did you say music? You're correct. And now, which school subject is missing? Qual é a school subject que está escondida? It's English. And now, which school subject is missing? Science. Well done! Your English is grade 10. Seu inglês é nota 10. I hope you have enjoyed. Espero que você tenha gostado desse vídeo. Se gostou, deixa um comentário aqui embaixo também respondendo a minha pergunta. What's your favorite school subject? E se houver algum outro tema que você gostaria de saber mais, just leave a comment below. E compartilhe esse vídeo com todos os seus amigos para nos ajudar a fazer crescer este canal. See you! Bye!